This is actually a neighbor of mine's, so I know the vehicle stays outside most of the time. So there might be a little bit of sap here and there. Let's see what I can do about working with it. Alright, so let me show you guys how to apply DSP. Ignore the purple bag. The purple applicator is from a special edition Tint Wiz starter sets that we were doing last year, but I just had some extras, so I like using them. So, but you have your applicator, and then you have the product within the applicator, right in there, right? So you just make sure you keep it tight, seal it, and that's pretty much it. That's what you leave. Once you clean the glass here, all you just need is a couple sprays, and that's really it. With this product, less is more. I can do 2 sprays and kind of rub it in on this half, and that's it. That's how it's done. And it's ready to go. I can lay it down right now if I really wanted to. 2 more sprays and go here. So those of you, some of you might have used DSP, and it doesn't let the film float, and it just kind of sticks a little bit. It's the reason why is because you guys are using way too much water. Way too much water. Notice that there's a haze here, but there's nothing wet. Nothing wet at all. I'm done with that here, and that's it. We're ready to go.